Today I'm showing you a really fun new feature in Honeybook called Honeybook Smart Files. To me, this is like the big piece that was missing with Honeybook, and it is now available. It might not be 100% available to all of you, but if you use my code to sign up, you will not only get 50% off Honeybook, but you will also be able to get on the early adopter list for Smart Files. They should also be rolling out to all accounts easily by the end of the year, if not before, and they're constantly updating this. So I'm super excited to show you Smart Files. So let's dive in. Hi everyone, I'm Lainey. I'm a wedding invitation designer, and if you've looked at my channel before, you know I love to teach people how to design invitations and run successful businesses. Client management systems are such a big part of running a successful creative business, especially in the wedding world, and I have reviewed and explored a ton of different client management systems. You can check them out on this playlist and see which one's right for you. But if you are decided on Honeybook, my code will get you 50% off for your first year, and you can get started for less than $5 a month. So this is going to save you so much time, and I'm super excited to share this with you. Now, previously, Honeybook had, invoices, contracts, templates, brochures, questionnaires, all these things. And there wasn't really a way to combine those things into one. So this is basically what Smart Files does, is it takes all the different pieces of Honeybook and puts them together they used to be called flows. And I felt like that was a nice name for it too. So they kind of help your clients flow from one piece to the other. And there's a lot of customization here. So I'm just going to show you how I would use this for a wedding invitation proof, because I think that's the big differentiating factor, especially between like Honeybook and Dubsado, that there wasn't a wonderful way to do design proofs in Honeybook before, and now there is. So I'm just really excited to show this to you. So you'll find all your Smart Files over in Tools and Templates, and as it said here just a second ago, if you do want to get back into your brochures for any reason, you can click on the Service tab and find your legacy brochures there. So you'll see in the Smart Files, we have these different actions. So there's contract, invoice, one extra action. This is contract, invoice, and pay. So that could be for a proposal template. This wedding invitation proof, the only technical action it has is just a contract, but you'll see it's so much more than that. So to create a new one, you'll just go into create a new one, and you'll start with one of the main options. You can really start with any option that's going to be part of your file and build off of it. So it's not super important to start with exactly the right one if you're going to have multiple actions. So if you're going to have a contract, you can start with that one. We'll just start with custom, and I'll show you all the different options. I'm just going to title this one like YouTube template, and we'll play around a little bit. I'm not going to get too much into it, but then I'll show you how I did the proof. So you can add things here, and then we have over here all the different pages. And one thing that you can do is customize the theme so that the entire Smart File, you can actually customize these overall. You can apply your company theme, which you can set in your settings. So you can set what you want the buttons to look like. That's really cool because for my brand, there's a lot of this like more round shape. And so this doesn't feel as on brand to me, but the rounded version does. You can change all the different colors. So let's see, I think this is my yellow for my brand. And you can change fonts to any of the fonts that you have in here, or you can upload a web font. So you can do so many things here. And again, you can set this as like a standard theme so that every template you create will start with that theme. And then basically on each page, you can add anything that you want. I don't believe you can add like these guys on the same exact page, but you can do them on different pages. So if we wanted to add our invoice and pay, we could put this in here. You can put your services in here. You can add a welcome video. So if you think about this from a proposal perspective, there's so much you can do. It's like welcome video. Hey, so glad to meet you. Here's what you're going to see here. Here's an invoice. Here you can go ahead and pay and sign the contract. Here's the questions that I need to ask you after you sign the contract. So you can go ahead and put those in there. You can put pictures of stuff. You can do so many different things. So it's just really incredible. And I'm going to just show you what the one that I created for wedding invitation proof looks like. Here is just page one. This is called mock-up. So this is where we're putting the full vibe of the suite, some welcome information. You can see the colors are all part of my brand. And then we have text, we have images, nothing too crazy on this page. But this is like, hey, this is the main sweet, this is what everything's going to look like. And then on the next page, we have the invitation. And so each time you would just have to apply this to the new job and upload the new pieces here and kind of, change any text that's available. So this is basically what I've been doing in a different system. But I kind of like the Smart Files because it puts everything on a different page. It allows them to really concentrate on each individual piece. And one thing that I did here was make the background a different color so that if we have white paper, which is mostly what I use, you're not seeing anything crazy. So just as an idea of what that looks like, you can just highlight any of this text and then you'll have all the styling options. And then when you click on this box as it is, you can change columns, you can change the background color, we can change the opacity here. You can even add a background image. So I think that's really fun. And because you can change the opacity, you can then put like text over your image. So I think this is really cool from a proposal perspective, but just as an invitation designer, this is going to be game changing for me to be able to do proofs in here. And then at the bottom, we've added questions. So the way that you do that is just anywhere you want to add a block, you just click add a block, and then all these block options are here for you. So we've added, is it approved? Yes, no. Please indicate changes. Please indicate changes to, this is text and wording, and then this is design. So this is kind of fun because it really encourages your client to focus on the individual piece and only give you changes and revisions on this piece here. Now we have basically the same thing with the reply card. This is a different suite. The details card, we don't have a reply card for this suite, so that's why this is. And I have two images here because this is front and back. And we have all these same questions down here on each page. Envelopes, same. And then we have our final draft so they can just see the full piece again as it is. You can copy and paste file blocks. I actually just learned that, which is very cool because you could take all of this information that I think I retyped twice. You could cut and paste this into different pages. So these are constantly going to improve. So I think that's a new feature that they added in their recent update. But they are really open to all of our suggestions and feedback. And so I love it. Every new feature, I'm like, yes, we needed that. So then the big thing that I have down here is basically a contract block. And so it requires a signature and then it requires my signature as well. And this is saying, if you sign below and you choose yes for all the options, then that's it. This is proof of approval. If you sign below and choose no, then you're still going to sign this to approve those revisions. We're going to come out with a new proof. So in this contract, you can always just insert like a little smart field, which let's see what those include. Project name, date, venue name, just like so many. Oh, these are all the other questions. Oh, that's cool. Okay. This is new too. I think these are all the other questions from the entire rest of the Smart File. So whatever answer they put in there, we can have that show up right here, which I think is so cool. So we could say, hey, as a reminder, you said you wanted this many quantity. As a reminder, these were the changes that you made, etc. We're going to remove that smart field. And you can put in here a payments recap and a services recap as long as you have those set up in your contract templates. So now that we've done this, we made one or two changes. So I'm just going to update the template. I'll show you what it looks like for the client. So they're going to get through, see basically everything we saw, except we have the options to do these things, type in them. We can go back to the envelopes, back to any of the pieces that they want to take another look at, and then basically just see everything. So I definitely recommend checking out from previews so that you can see how your clients are going to see it. So I hope this gave you an idea of basically all the customization options that are here. I can go further into this with proposals, contract, invoices, other things in other videos, but I wanted this to be like a fairly quick overview and just to show how we use this as a design proof, because I know that a lot of you are graphic designers. Now, once you finish this, you can click use template and you can apply it to any of your existing projects or new projects. And then whenever you go into a project, you can do send smart file and you can just click on that wedding invitation proof here. Now you're editing this just within Lainey Shank's project. Earlier, it was editing in the entire template, but this is where you would just go in and let's see, we'll replace this image. You can do something from your library, or you can upload a new image. Let's see, we have Melissa and Steven. Give me their mock-up here. Might take a second to upload as I'm recording and doing this, and it's kind of a large file because there's a lot of pieces on that one. And once that's uploaded, it will just go ahead and pop right in, and you can change the size, you can do some cropping, you can do some alignment, all kinds of things that you want to do here. So if you go to the content width, you can shrink it down, bring it back up a little bit, and you can add, more or less padding too, which I think is really nice. So I hope you see here how much, just like this is the tip of the iceberg for how much customization there is here. We didn't even really get into adding the invoice and the payments and everything, but the key to Smart Files is you're taking everything that you could previously do with Honeybook and putting it into one direct flow. You could literally have someone go through, get their welcome brochure, get the pricing information, sign the contract, pay the invoice, and answer their full questionnaire of everything you need for their invitations right there. I'm not saying it's necessarily going to work that way, so you might want to go through your process flow and put a few of these things together that make sense. Like I would never include the entire questionnaire right after they book because my clients usually need a little bit more time there. But if you can put the questionnaire together in a way that's simple, takes them through a couple pages so it doesn't feel overwhelming having just giant questionnaire on one page, and then also includes some additional things there like some nice photos, some imagery, some information about what's happening next, then you're going to help your clients know what to expect next. You're going to preempt some of the questions that they have, and you're going to create a beautiful experience for them because it's entirely customized to your brand. And then on the back end, most importantly for you, it's all here in Honeybook where you can easily access it. So that's my favorite part of client management systems in general, is just that everything stays in one place. And this is a way of taking like 5 files and putting them all together, and it's a way of combining so much customization with the features that you need, like contracts, invoices, questionnaires, etc. So if you can't tell, I'm super excited about Smart Files. If they're not on your account yet, they should be soon. If you want to reach out to Honeybook, if you use my link, you should be able to get some of that early access. Also, if you use my link and you're new to Honeybook, you can start with 50% off and get started for less than $5, which is incredible. So let me know what you think. Let me know how you want me to show these and what you want me to dive more into in my future Smart Files videos, because I know there's a lot to cover here and I want to make it as simple as possible for you. While you're here, check out all of our other Honeybook videos, or if you're still deciding on a client management system, we have a ton of comparison videos for you to check out. Thanks, everyone.